Hello friends, my name is Chinmay Deshpande. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about solution of second order ordinary differential equation using fourth order Runge Kutta method. So let's see, this is what is a function y double dash equal to xy dash minus y. Given is y of 0 equal to 3 and y dash of 0 equal to 0. Now we have to find it out what is the value of y of 0.1 and y dash of 0.1. So I am going to write given function as y double dash equal to x y dash minus y. Y of 0 equal to 3 and y dash of 0 equal to 0. Now what is the first step what we have to do? So I am going to write it here, let dy by dx equal to z. Dy by dx will be equal to what? It will be equal to z. Let us consider this as a function of x comma y comma z. Now what we will do? So therefore put dy by dx equal to z in a given function. Now what is our given function? Y double dash. Y double dash is nothing but what? D square y by dx square. So I am going to write it as d square y by dx square. What it will be equal to? Means we will be able to write it as dz by dx, because we know if we do a second derivative d square y by dx square, we will get dz by dx. Now what is that value which is equal to x in place of y dash, that is dy by dx. So I am going to write it as it is your dy by dx minus y. So in place of this we are going to put it as dy by dx equal to z. So d square y by dx square will be equal to what? Xz minus y. Let us consider this as g of x comma y comma z. Now we have to find it out. First one I am going to write it here, step number 1. Now what is given? Given is y of 0 equal to 3. So let me write it here, y of 0 equal to 3, y dash of 0 will be equal to 0. So what to write here? That is, meaning is nothing but when x0 equal to 0, y0 will be equal to 3 and z0 will be equal to 0. This is what is the meaning. Now what we have to find it out? We have to find it out what is the value of y of 0.1. So I am going to write it as when x1 equal to 0.1, what is the value of y1 and what is the value of z1, that we have to determine. Now h is nothing but a step size which will be equal to x1 minus x0. So here we will get value of h as 0.1. Now let's take a first formula of k1. So k1 will be equal to, what is the formula of k1? Already we have gone through this, h into f of x0 comma y0 comma z0. Now please remember, already we have seen f of x comma y comma z equal to what? It is equal to z. Here we have written, where it is, yes, f of x comma y comma z equal to z. So therefore now here I am going to write, therefore k1 will be equal to h into f of z0. Why we are taking only z0? Because in the function f of x, y, z, we don't have any value of x and y. So that's why here I am going to take it directly as a z0. So what is h? H is 0.1. Now what is given function? Given function is what? Here you will get only z0, because f of x, y, z equal to z. So here you will get only what? Here z0. Don't write here 0, it will be only f of z. So therefore if we put z0, what is the value of z0? It is 0. So we will get answer as a 0, that is k1 will be equal to 0. L1 will be equal to what? H into g of x comma y comma z. Now what is g of x comma y comma z? If you see carefully, here we have written it is xz minus y. So let me write this function as xz minus y. So therefore L1 will be equal to, what is h? 0.1 Here what you have to write, what is g of x comma y comma z? It is xz minus y, but x equal to x0, z equal to z0, y equal to y0. So point 1, what is your value of x0? So here if you see, you have a value of x0 is nothing but 0. What is z0? 0. What is the value of y0? If you see, y0 is a 3. So if you solve this, you will get answer as minus 0.3. So this will be value of L1. Now let me calculate K2. How to find it out? K2, h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2, and z0 plus L1 by 2. This is a formula. So now as we know that in a function f of x comma y comma z, we have only value of z. So I am writing it like this, h into f of z0 plus L1 by 2, because here there is no question of y and z. So h is 0.1, f z0 is 0, L1 was minus 0.3, so minus 0.3 divided by 2, which will be equal to what? 0.1 into f of 0 comma 0 comma. Now what will be the value of minus 0.3 divided by 2? It will be 0.12, minus 0.15, not 12, it is 15. So therefore that is, now sorry, it is not a comma, it is 0 minus 0.15. So what it will be? You will get it as, which is equal to 0.1 into f of minus 0.15. Therefore I am writing it like this, 0.1 into z. So this will be your value of z. So what you will get? You will get answer as 0.1 into minus 0.15, which will be equal to minus 0.015. Similarly, we have to find it out here L2. So what is the formula of L2? It is h into g of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2, z0 plus L1 by 2. Now what is g of x comma y comma z? Already we have seen that g of x comma y comma z equal to xz minus y. This is what is your given function, xz minus y. So let me find it out. L2 will be equal to, h is 0.1, g of, what is x0? 0. What is h? 0.1 divided by 2. What is y0? Let me see what is the value of y0, 3. So therefore it will be 3 plus, what is what is here? K1. So if you go through this, K1 will be 0. So here you will get 0 by 2. What is Z0? 0. Plus, what is L1? What was the value of L1? Minus 0.3. So minus 0.3 divided by 2. Means it will be what? 0.1 into G of 0.05 comma 3 comma minus 0.15. Now what is your given function? It is xz minus y. So here this will be a value of x, this will be your value of y, and this will be your value of z. So 0.1 into bracket x means 0.05 into z minus 0.15 minus 3. So if you do it, let me do it on a calci, 0.05 into minus 0.15 minus 3 into 0.1. So we will get answer as minus 0.30075. So this will be answer for L2. Now next is we have to find it out K3. So what will be K3? What is the formula of K3? It is h into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by k2 by 2, and z0 plus L2 by 2. This is a formula that already we have seen. That is h into f of, I will take only z0 plus L2 by 2 because we have a function f of x comma y comma z will be equal to only z. there is no term of x and y. So which is equal to 0.1 f of z0 is 0 plus what is the value of L2? It will be minus 0.30075 divided by 2. So do it. What you will get? You will get answer as 0.1 into f of minus 0.150375, which is equal to 0.1 into z. So here what is the value of z? Value of z is minus 0.150375. So if you do this calculation, then you will get answer as into 0.1, you will get answer as minus 0.01503. Let me take it only up to this digit. So we will get this answer of K3. Now next is what? Next we have to find it out L3. So L3 will be equal to h into g of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2 and z0 plus L2 by 2. So here what is g of x comma y comma z? This was your function. Initially we discussed x z minus y. So first substitute all the values. 0.1 into g of x0 is 0, h is 0.1. What is the value of y0? Let me check here value of y0, otherwise it may create some mistake. Y0 is 3. So here we have to write 3 plus k2 by 2. What is the value of k2? Here if you see, answer of k2 is minus 0.015. So let me write it as minus 0.015 divided by 2. What is z0? Here if you see, this z0 is nothing but it was 0. Initially this value was 0. Okay, so 0. L2 is what? Minus 0.30075. So minus 0.30075 divided by 2. So what is the answer you will get? 0.1 into g into bracket 0.05. If you do 0.015 divided by 2 and 3 minus answer, you will get it as 2.9925. And if you do it for 0.30075 divided by 2, you will get this answer as 0.150375. So what is your function? Xz minus y. So let me write it as, this will be xz minus y. X is nothing but 0.05, z is nothing but 0.150375 and y is nothing but 2.9925. So if you solve this, you will get answer of L3 as minus 0.3. So this will be answer of L3. Similarly, we have to do it for K4. What is the formula of K4? H into f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3 and z0 plus L3. So here if you see, if I substitute here h into, we have only f of z0 plus L3. So substitute value, h is 0.1. What is z0? If you see, z0 is 0 and what is the value of L3 is minus 0.3. So you will get answer of K4 as minus 0.03. And last we have to find it out L4, which will be equal to h into g of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3 and z0 plus L3. What is your g of x comma y comma z? The function is xz minus y. So it will be what? H is nothing but what? 0.1 g of, so if you substitute here 0 plus 0.1 comma 3 plus minus 0.01503, this is the value of k3, comma z0 is 0, L3 is minus 0.3. So if you do a calculation, you will get answer of L4 as minus 0.3015. Do it with the help of calculator. Now last step is we have to find it out y1, which is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Already we have calculated k1, k2, k3, k4. We know what is the value of y0. So if you substitute, you will get answer of y1, that is, it is expected to find it out what? It is expected to find it out value of y of 0.1. So we will get this y of 0.1 will be equal to 2.9849. Similarly, we will be calculating z1, which is equal to z0 plus 1 by 6 into bracket L1 plus 2L2 plus 2L3 plus L4. We know values of L1, L2, L3, L4. We know what is Z0. So if you substitute, you will get answer of Z1, which is nothing but Z of 0.1, or in other words, you can say that it is Y dash of 0.1, because in an initial step we substituted dy by dx equal to Z. So therefore this will be answer of Y dash of 0.1. If you calculate, you will get answer as 0.3005. So this will be the final answer of y of 0.1 and y dash of 0.1. This is what is a solution of ordinary differential equation, second order ordinary differential equation using fourth order Runge Kutta method. Thank you for watching this video.